Valentine's Day is a celebration of love in all its forms. It's a day to honor the special bonds we share with those who mean the most to us, whether it's a romantic partner, a close friend, or a cherished family member. But finding the perfect way to express your love can sometimes feel overwhelming. That's where thoughtful and unique gift ideas come in, allowing you to tailor your gestures to reflect the individuality of your relationship. This guide is here to inspire you, offering a mix of creativity, practicality, and sentimentality. From heartfelt handmade creations to luxurious indulgences, and from personalized keepsakes to unforgettable experiences, there's something for everyone. Let's dive into ideas that will help you convey your feelings in the most memorable way possible. Personalized and sentimental gifts hold a timeless charm as they capture the essence of your bond and turn it into something tangible. These gifts aren't just objects, they're a way to show someone how deeply you understand and value them. Start with simple but meaningful items like a custom photo book filled with snapshots of shared memories. Include notes or captions that tell the story of each moment. For something more intimate, consider a piece of engraved jewelry. A bracelet with coordinates of a special place, or a necklace with initials or a meaningful date, adds a touch of thoughtfulness. Personalized home decor also makes a wonderful gift. A framed star map showing the night sky on a significant date or a custom pillow with a heartfelt message can instantly brighten someone's space and their day. Another idea is a memory jar, filled with small notes recounting your favorite moments together or reasons why you appreciate them. Digital personalization works beautifully too. Create a playlist of songs that remind you of your relationship or design a custom calendar with photos and dates that hold sentimental value. These gifts show effort, creativity, and most importantly, love. They go beyond material value to leave a lasting emotional impact. If these Valentine gift ideas helped spark some inspiration, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who's looking for the perfect way to show their love. While physical gifts are always appreciated, experience-based gifts create memories that last a lifetime. They offer the perfect opportunity to spend quality time together, making the occasion even more special. For a romantic partner, plan a unique date that reflects their interests. Think outside the box, like a sunrise hike followed by breakfast, or a pottery class where you can both get hands-on and creative. Tickets to an event they've been wanting to attend, whether it's a concert, theater performance, or sports game, also make for an exciting surprise. Adventurous gifts can bring an added thrill. Consider activities like a tandem bike ride, a cooking class, or even something daring like ziplining or a hot air balloon experience. For a more intimate approach, curate an at-home spa day with scented candles, luxurious bath products, and calming music to create a haven of relaxation. Even smaller, personal experiences can be impactful: a picnic in the park, a DIY movie night with all their favorite snacks, or a stargazing evening with cozy blankets and hot cocoa. Experiences like these foster deeper connections and create stories to reminisce about for years to come. Which Valentine's gift idea was your favorite? Or do you have your own unique gift idea? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your creative ways of expressing love. DIY gifts add a layer of personal effort and creativity that can make them even more meaningful than store-bought presents. They showcase the time, thought, and care you've invested, turning even simple items into heartfelt gestures. Start with handmade decor or accessories. Paint a custom coffee mug with a meaningful design or create a candle in their favorite scent. You could also try crafting a piece of art, like a painting or drawing that captures a shared memory or symbolizes your bond. For food lovers, whip up some homemade treats. Bake heart-shaped cookies, prepare a box of chocolate truffles, or create a gourmet snack mix. Package them in decorative boxes or jars to elevate the presentation. Another idea is a DIY date night kit, complete with a cozy blanket, snacks, and a list of movies you can enjoy together. Sentimental projects, like a scrapbook or memory box, are great for celebrating your history together. Include small tokens from memorable events, concert tickets, pressed flowers, or handwritten notes. DIY gifts aren't just thoughtful, they're one-of-a-kind treasures that hold a special place in the recipient's heart. For more creative gift ideas and inspiration for every occasion, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. When it comes to Valentine's Day, luxurious gifts can be the ultimate way to spoil someone and make them feel truly cherished. These presents don't have to be extravagant, they simply need to convey elegance, thoughtfulness, and a sense of indulgence. Jewelry is always a classic choice. Whether it's a delicate necklace, a pair of sparkling earrings, or a sleek watch, a beautifully wrapped piece of fine jewelry can make anyone feel special. Pair it with a handwritten letter or a bouquet of their favorite flowers for an added touch of romance. Gourmet treats are another great option. A box of artisanal chocolates, a premium bottle of wine, or a selection of rare teas can elevate your gift-giving game. To make it more personal, create a small gift basket with items that cater to their tastes, like luxurious skincare products, a soft cashmere scarf, or a set of high-quality candles. If relaxation is what they need, gift a plush robe, silk pajamas, or a premium spa kit. Add in some bath salts, a soothing face mask, or a soft eye pillow to create a complete relaxation package. These gifts aren't just luxurious, they're a way to show someone that you care about their comfort and happiness. Looking for more Valentine's Day inspiration? Check out our playlist filled with decor tips, gift guides, and DIY ideas to make this season extra special. Valentine's Day is about more than just gifts, it's a celebration of connection, care, and shared joy. Whether you choose a personalized memento, an exciting experience, a DIY treasure, or a luxurious surprise, your gift becomes a way to show your love and appreciation. The most meaningful gifts are those that reflect the recipient's unique personality and your shared bond. It's not about the price tag, but the thought and effort behind the gesture. From the smallest handmade token to the most indulgent treat, every gift has the power to touch someone's heart when it's given with sincerity. Take the time to think about what makes your loved one smile, what brings them joy, and what memories you want to create together. Valentine's Day is the perfect opportunity to nurture those connections, whether through laughter, quiet moments, or grand gestures. This day reminds us of the importance of cherishing the people who make our lives brighter. As we celebrate, it's also an opportunity to create traditions that stand the test of time, whether through thoughtful gifts, shared experiences, or heartfelt conversations. Every small gesture, from a kind word to a simple note of gratitude, contributes to the atmosphere of love and appreciation. These moments remind us that relationships are built on thoughtfulness, not extravagance. Let Valentine's Day be a reminder to slow down and focus on the bonds that truly matter. It's about the little things, like the laughter you share, the memories you create, and the love you express in your unique way. Ultimately, the best gifts are those that come from the heart, carrying the weight of sincerity and genuine care. Whether it's a grand gesture or a quiet moment, these acts of love create lasting impressions that resonate far beyond a single day. So, as you plan your Valentine's celebration, let your creativity and compassion lead the way. This is a time to express your gratitude for the people who make your life richer and more meaningful. And most importantly, remember that the greatest gift of all is your presence, being there for the people you care about, sharing your time, your love, and your energy in a way that strengthens your connection. In the end, Valentine's Day is a celebration of all the ways love makes life more beautiful. It's a chance to honor the relationships that uplift you and to embrace the joy that comes from giving and receiving care. It's also a time to reflect on what love means to you and how you can keep its spirit alive every day. The effort you put into this day can inspire more meaningful connections throughout the year. Whether you're celebrating with a partner, friends, family, or even treating yourself, make it a day that fills your heart with warmth and joy. Celebrate the beauty of love in all its forms, and remember that your thoughtfulness will always make the biggest impact. Want to create or buy these gifts? Check the description for links to the items and materials featured in today's video. Valentine's Day is a chance to make those around you feel cherished and appreciated, but it's also an opportunity to enjoy the simple pleasure of giving without expecting anything in return. After all, love is what makes life truly special, and every act of kindness adds a little more magic to the world. So take the time to celebrate love, however it looks in your life, and let this day remind you of the beauty and joy that thoughtful gestures can bring. Make it one to remember.